Hey there, handy friends. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. Don't forget, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple home hand soap. We use this around our house, and it's very easy to make, and it only takes 2 ingredients. One's really cheap, and one is not very pricey either. So, just got to get the foaming jar. So I'm going to show you this first. I got 2 of these jars on Amazon for $16. They come in a 2-pack, and I will put the link below on the exact brand and price, but $16 for 2, can't beat that. I'm going to go ahead and take off the tag, and here we have the foaming jar head. And so I'm going to show you how I make my simple soap in this, and we use it all around our house. Go ahead and remove the top, and this is what actually makes it foam. There's an insert in here, don't need that. And I kind of eyeball this most of the time. And I wanted to show you the different soaps that I have. So these are all Dr. Bronner's. These are liquid Castile soaps. So you can use other brands. This is the brand that I recommend. This is my favorite brand. My favorite is lavender. That's just a personal preference. I use this for all different variety of things in my home. I wanted to talk about antibacterial in this time of viruses. And this has tea tree in it, and that naturally helps kill antibacterial. It's antibacterial and it kills viruses, and it's really good to keep around the house. So if you're concerned about that, you can use this kind. But tonight, we're going to be using another one of my favorites, which is rose. And I prefer this for hands versus body because of the smell. But the guys don't like it as much. If you want something more versatile, you could go with the other two. Or there's also peppermint. But I do want to mention the tea tree oil and the peppermint Dr. Bronner's. They kind of give your skin a little tingle, even though we are diluting it. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to open up your Dr. Bronner's. And you're going to fill this pint jar about 1/4 of the way. Really simple here. All right, and then here I just have water. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it up the rest of the way. And now when you're using your tap, you wanna add the water. It is cold water. Add cold water because hot water makes bubbles. We're trying to reduce bubbles right now. So we're adding cold water to this. And when you're using your tap, just go ahead and add it very slow, like I did with the pitcher. That way it's not blasting in here. It will foam up and bubble, and then you won't have the right amount. So again, it's about 1/4 of soap and the rest water. So it's a very easy recipe. And this is a glass jar. It's a glass mason jar, which I also liked a lot because the plastic, when you reuse them, when they get empty, they tend to tip over. And so this has a lot of good weight, given that it is glass. And another thing I want to tell you about is that it does settle to the bottom, the Castile soap. So sometimes you'll see like kind of a white layer every day, day and a half. What you want to do is just kind of pick this up and give it a swirl around and mix the water back up with the soap. And it's going to give you a really nice consistency. Let's see. There you go. Whoa. Got a little out of control. But yeah. Foam. It's great. Hand soap. So, if you like what you see, give me that thumbs up. And don't forget, please subscribe to my channel for more great videos and home tips like this. And stay handy, friends.